Hello, welcome to Statland. I'm Carl Glass and I'm here to show you around if you've got the time. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Carl Glass and I will be your instructor here in Statland, and I noticed things have changed a little bit, so let's dive in. We've got a new edition of the textbook. However, it's now the 6th edition. I received a hard copy in the mail. You've got a older version of the book. Sections haven't changed, so you should be okay. Second, we've got a new Pearson learning environment. It is now direct integrated MyLab statistics. We've also got some updates in D2L. The new updated editor. If you're returning to D2L, you might find that some of the tools have been rearranged. Also, you'll see that a work to do widget has been added. This is directly built into D2L, so these are not dates I'm putting in there. It's just dates that are used to show you what's due within D2L. The last thing I want to point out is, even though we are now, as of August 23rd, calling this fall, my yard still says it's summer. So for the beginning, I probably won't be on much in the morning. I like to work out in my garden when it's still cool. However, once the weather changes and I don't have to go out, then I will probably be getting on early morning. Good luck. Let me know if you got any questions, and best of luck.